The position is Manager of Finance and Controlling of Core Energy Recovery Solutions, a fully owned subsidiary of Zehnder Group. The company is located in Vancouver, British Columbia. It is a full-time, casual, or permanent position. The following is the full job description. The title will be Manager Finance and Controlling, and the position reports to the CEO and the Global Head Finance and Controlling Department. Here follows the profile of the company. Core Energy Recovery Solutions is a leading manufacturer that specializes in the design and production of components for ventilation and hydrogen fuel cell systems. The company is a part of the Zehnder Group, which listed with SIX Swiss Exchange with trading ticker of ZEHN. Core works with the world's largest manufacturers to create solutions that reduce CO2 emissions in the transportation sector and built environment. Core values trust, respect, curiosity, and openness. Core Energy Recovery Solutions. The following is the overview of the role: to work as a business partner to the CEO in this time of high growth and to collaborate with the Global Head of Finance and Controlling to harmonize and optimize local systems and processes. The group head office locates in Netherlands. Utilize your business acumen and financial capabilities, and support the company on strategy, objectives, and plan execution. You will lead the financial systems and budget for the company in partnership with the Global Head of Finance and Controlling and ensure all local regulations and best practices are being met by the finance accounting team. Key responsibilities includes: 1. Lead internal team. Support and manage the members of the financial team to ensure regulatory and reporting compliance. Work with the team to develop system best practices that support the team to make the necessary contributions locally and to the global organization. 2. Oversee financial reporting and analysis. Use the ERP to ensure appropriate monthly, quarterly, and annual reporting to the global finance team. 3. Maintain and oversee local statutory reporting in conjunction with the relevant stakeholders. 4. Create local planning and budgeting cycle and process. Lead the business planning and budgeting process, focusing on production variance and performance analysis. 5. Create a financial model for the company's business and products. 6. Create a set of dashboard metrics on which to accurately judge the company's performance. 7. Create and monitor internal controls. Build and manage the process to examine internal controls, systems, and reporting processes to ensure compliance with governing regulatory bodies and financial standards. 8. Build internal systems capability to support local financial control systems. 9. Manage the cash flow. Ensure the company has sufficient operational cash and is compliant with existing financial arrangements. Other responsibilities. 10. Prepare financial reports and analyses required by management and parent company, including profit and loss, balance sheet statements, cash flow statement, and monthly management report to highlight the actual and projected sales, margins, and financial key performance indicators. 11. Manage the computation and payment for employees and the compilation of payroll information and maintenance of payroll records for the group. 12. Prepare monthly production costing and COGS reports, actual and standard. Works closely with manufacturing department to identify anomalies in materials and labor usage figures. 13. Review GL including intercompany transactions and eliminations, subledger reconciliations, bank reconciliations, recurring entries, foreign exchange revaluations, investment income reconciliations, etc. 14. Apply accounting principles to transactions and implements revisions in accounting procedures to ensure conformance with applicable statutes, laws, general accepted accounting principles, and internal control safeguards. 15. Oversee application and administration of grants and other programs such as SIED. 16. Assist with the testing and piloting of new ERP system, experience with MS Dynamics 365 is an asset. Once the initial ERP implementation is completed, maintain access controls, chart of accounts and configuration of the system, and lead the pursuit of additional functionality that will be part of ongoing ERP system optimization, as well as leading or co-leading additional implementation phases. Education. 17. Bachelor's degree and advanced degree, such as MBA, would be beneficial. 18. Accounting designation CPA, CA, CMA, CGA, preferred, coupled with 5 to 7 years in senior financial and accounting roles with increasing responsibility. Qualifications and experience. 19. Experience working with international business entities and publicly listed companies. 20. Aligned to the core and Zehnder culture and values, hardworking, collaborative, resourceful, passionate and fully invested in the team, company and achievement of amazing results. 21. A leader with a drive for results, compassionate builder of teams and open communicator. 22. Demonstrates a positive, respectful, and service-oriented approach to interactions with others and enjoys working as part of a team. 23. Exemplary communication and presentation skills which translate to excellent relationships with stakeholders, banks, and financial external contacts, associated corporate entities. 24. Analytical, strategic thinker with broad business acumen in a manufacturing environment. 25. Excellent organizational skills with a demonstrated ability to prioritize work and manage competing priorities. 26. Creative, with the ability to take initiative in suggesting improvements and innovations. 27. Ability to work independently, without supervision, willingness to take ownership of a project with a demonstrated ability to work within tight deadlines. 28. Advanced knowledge of computerized accounting systems, ERP. 29. Proficient with Microsoft Office 365, besides the experience in using Outlook, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Teams, SharePoint and Microsoft Dynamics 365 ERP platform or an equivalent ERP platform. 30. Job types: full-time, permanent, casual salary, $1 to $5 per day. 31. Benefits: casual dress, dental care, extended health care, vision care, 8-hour shift. 32. Supplemental pay types: bonus pay. 33. Ability to commute, willing to relocate to Vancouver, BC, reliably commute or plan to relocate before starting work which is required. 34. Experience on senior finance position for 7 years with a CPA designation. 35. Expected start date on September 19, 2022. The end.